In this video, we'll see how we can reset the Samsung watch. So this is Samsung Galaxy watch. So look at this, it is associated with one of the cell phone or any devices, so you know how to reset. There are a couple of options. One you can do from the application, which is also you can just disconnect from there and you can just reset the watch. And the other option, which is the easiest way also, is here you can do the physical. So let's try the physical one. So this is the watch, and if you know the function of the watch, you can swipe up, down, here and there, and this button you can do through the button. You used to do that, but not anymore. You can easily do from inside the watch. So when you just drop down that menu, so you'll find this thing. So here, this is a setting. So just go into the setting, just go all the way down. You'll find this is the about watch. Click on this thing. So this is a watch model and everything. Go right little down, you'll find this is a reset. So this is the one thing, and in the setting, and you can do the reset from there too. You can back up the data first before resetting. No need, if you want you can do that, but I don't need that. Just click reset and it will start resetting itself. It takes little time and it will do right away. So but you will lose everything and all connectivities from the devices. So after this, it just turns on and it will work. Thumbs up if you like that video. See you in the next video.